So what is this, like vlog number, it's either like 3 or 4, depending on how you're counting. It's definitely one of those numbers. So probably one of the questions you're going to be asking is, as you see this unstable hack channel, you're going to notice an extreme lack of text-based information. So when you look at the name of these little vlogs that I'm doing, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 566. When you look at the description, I'm probably just going to put a little advertisement for, hey, learn computer repair at EliTheComputerGuy.com. But there won't be any descriptors, any text-based descriptors about what these vlogs are. And you may be thinking about, like, Eli, why is this? Why is there no text-based descriptors? Why can't I look at what this vlog episode is, look at the title, look at the description, and know what you're going to be talking about? Well, the reason for this is, again, I want you guys to understand why I'm trying to do this vlog, right? The reason I'm trying to do this vlog is to create conversation, to get you guys thinking, the thought processes, trying to get you to have the thought processes that will allow you to make the right decisions in the real world. Now, I am not interested, I do not care one tiny little itty bitty iota about whether you agree with my opinions or not. Whether you like Windows 8, whether you like the iPad, whether you like the Galaxy S3, whether you like Android, whether you like any of that garbage. I don't care about that. Don't care about that in the least, the most tiniest little bit. Don't care. What I care about is creating a conversation so you guys can think about what you, your bosses, and your clients need to most effectively, efficiently, and cost-effectively perform the work that is required for you or your organization. So I want you thinking. I want you coming up with the ideas. I may like the iPad. You may decide that the Android is better for your environment. But I want you to decide that the Android is better for your environment, or the iPad, or the Windows 8, or whatever. I want you to decide that. I don't want you to simply pick one of these products because the fanboys have told you that's what's cool. I don't want you to pick an iPad because I say the iPad is cool, or because Steve Jobs came back from the grave and said the iPad was cool. I want you to pick an iPad because you realize that for whatever it is you're trying to accomplish, that is the most effective product. So the entire point of these blogs is, again, the thought process to get you thinking, conversation, so on and so forth. The issue that I found, now that I have like 404 videos up on the Eli the Computer Guy channel, I have all these classes, but then I also have things like reviews and the opinion pieces. And what I have found is that because of the descriptions, because of the titles that I've given some videos, that they attract people that want to talk to the echo chamber, people that want to talk to the choir. So the issue is that when you have the text description, when you have the text title, that comes up in search engines, that comes up in Google, and people go, oh, this guy likes Android, so I'm either going to go there and write a comment that supports him, or go there and write a comment that calls him an idiot. It's kind of like I have 2 current videos right now. It's very interesting to see. I have this one video called Windows 8, OG Willikers, Why Does Microsoft Hate Us? That lambasts Windows 8. And then I have another video, which is a review of my Surface tablet. So I have a Pro Surface tablet, paid like $1,100 for this thing, and I use it basically every day. And in that review, I talk about it. So in Windows 8, I completely lambast Windows 8. It's horrible. I just trash Windows 8. And in the Surface review, I actually don't trash the Surface. I explain some things about what you should think about if you're going to be buying the Surface, and I explain that I think it's a bit of a half-baked product. It's not a fully complete product. But I did not, or at least did not try to trash the Surface. It was just like, well, this is what the Surface is. If you're looking for an Ultrabook, good. If you're looking for a tablet, I'd still suggest iPad. But that's all I was trying to say. But the interesting part is, with this whole echo chamber world, the Windows 8 OG Willikers, why is this such a horrible thing? All of the comments, like 200 comments, all completely and utterly agree with me. Yes, Windows 8 is horrible. But then if you go over to the Surface review, it's like 200 comments of Eli is a complete and utter moron. I mean, it is brutal. illegal. Like, if you want to see, like, brutality in the YouTube world, just go over to my Microsoft Surface review, and you will see YouTube brutality. And I don't really understand why, to be honest with you, because I wasn't that scathing about the Surface. It was like, if you need an Ultra tablet, you know, you need an Ultra book, a light book thing, and you want a tablet, it's not bad, but it's half-baked. But oh my god, I'm getting thrashed, right? So my idea with this, with the Unstable Hack, is basically the only title you get is a number and the description, like I say, some advertisement to go back to my website and see my normal videos, because I don't want to be talking to the echo chamber. I don't want to be talking to the choir, because what the hell's the point of that? I mean, you know what I'm saying? If you come to my video and you already know you're going to agree with my opinion, then wouldn't your time be better spent learning Windows Server 2012 or Mint Linux or ZFS or something? I mean, like, if you're going to sit here and watch my video for like 30 minutes, there should be some kind of whatever going on. So that is the reasons. If you're sitting there and you're thinking, Eli, why are there only numbers here? There's no descriptions. That's the description, because I don't want to be talking to the echo chamber. I don't want to be talking to the choir. I want you guys to be thinking about this stuff. And again, feel free to disagree with me. Hell, any of my buddies know that I disagree with me at least twice a day. I'm the most frustrating person to have an argument with, because like by the end of the argument, you'll find out that I'm actually arguing for your side and you're arguing for my side, and you're like, what the hell? And I was like, oh, I don't know, you had a better argument, so I just went with yours. Yeah. So anyways, that's the vlog. So that's the idea. No numbers, no descriptions. See you at the next one of these things.